Flushers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah if you guys are new here, and for today's video I'm very excited because I'm going to be bringing to you guys another 10 stress relievers from Amazon. Or weird stress relievers from Amazon. I don't even remember what I called this thing, but I did this in the past and you guys seem to absolutely love it, so I wanted to do a part 2 and show you guys 10 more stress relievers from Amazon. So yeah, I really hope you guys like it, and yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into it. Okay, so I just have a huge box here, and well, there's like multiple boxes inside here, so I'm just gonna grab something and we'll go from there. So this first one is called the Magic Ring. It's an interactive, decorative, tactical pun. I don't understand where the pun is. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay. Oh wow, that was magical. Did you guys see that? That is magic. Okay, so I think what you do with this, I've seen people do this before, but I've never actually done it myself. I think you like put your hand in here. Oh yes, oh yes. That is so cool. Okay, maybe I can like do some tricks. I'm gonna try and like, okay, maybe I should just like calm down. Oh, I should like have it like tucked in my sleeve and be like, do you wanna see a little trick? I got one up my sleeve, and then have it like go down and be like, this will be so good. So that was the first one, and we're gonna go on to the second. I'm feeling a little stressed because I have 2 roommates and they're being very loud, so I need some more stress relievers in my life. Okay, so this is the next one, and this one is called Flippy Brain. Squeeze me and watch me pop. It's a stress relief eye-popping brain toy. Oh, this is what I need in my life. You didn't think you needed this in your life? Oh, you do. Let's just give this a little. Okay, this is not as satisfying as I was hoping. If you guys saw my first stress reliever video, I had like the, what was it called? Oh gosh, Panic Pete. Panic Pete, I give you a 5, man. You're not that good. I had the Panic Pete. This one's kind of similar, but honestly, I like this one better than the Panic Pete one because this one literally defines my life right now. This is my brain, these are my eyes, and I'm like, what is going on? What is life? Honestly, who thought of this? I'm a little concerned for them as a person because yeah, let's make a little stress relieving toy of a brain with some eyes popping out of the brain. Okay, this next one, I've been wanting to play with this. Well, actually, for just being honest, I already played with this and it's freaking amazing. So this is one of those things where you put it on your head. Oh my gosh, yes. This is honestly like just incredible. Whoever thought of this idea needs to win awards. Like, oh, it's just like the most relaxing thing. I'm like getting tingles. Basically, you guys have probably seen these. These are like, I think they're kind of old, but it's just like a metal little contraption that you put on your head and then you massage it. Yeah, this is amazing. If you guys want something to relax, de-stress, just get one of these and, you know, watch a long movie and enjoy. It's amazing. Thank you for being in my life. So this next one spilled in the box, which I'm very sad about, but this is also one of the ones that I was most excited about. Guys, wait till you see this. It's a freaking Zen Garden, like your own Zen Garden. Like, amazing. So sadly, some of the sand came out. There was a leak in it, unfortunately, but I think we saved enough of it, so let's see if we can make a Zen Garden. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it comes with like little figurines, like a little Buddha thing, a little like figurine bridge, some little rocks, and then like a little stick. Oh yeah, it's like a little rake. I'm so obsessed with this. I'm not even joking. I'm so obsessed. I love this so much. I want this to be like on a display in my room, and whenever I'm feeling stressed, I can just play with it. I just thought this was so relaxing. I will say, if I had more sand, it would be even more relaxing. The little rake was like kind of scraping the bottom of it, which I think would have been better if there was more sand, but honestly, overall, this is great. If it didn't spill, it would be a 10 out of 10, but because it did spill, I give it an 8. Okay, next we have this mystery box item. I have no clue what was in here. I honestly have no clue what I ordered. I forgot. Oh, what is this? So I think this is also like a Zen Garden, only I think this is something a little bit different. Oh, there's magnets. Oh crap, okay, what is up with everything like coming apart? Okay, I think this is like magnetic stuff. So I'm gonna pour this into the box. Okay, so we have this box with some magnetic sand, I believe it is. It's like a magnetic sand Zen Garden. Oh, I do remember seeing, okay, hold on, this could be really fun. So I think what you do is like take this and then what is going on? Look at this. Oh, maybe you just like stick it down like that. Maybe if you don't do it too close, it doesn't stick or something. I'm trying to get it to like just stick up or something. That is so interesting. So this was pretty fun to do. I'm not like totally sold on it. I think I like the sand better just because, I mean, I like the idea of having like a magnet, but then the magnets just get like swallowed. It's definitely fun to watch the magnets like do its thing. I don't remember how much I spent on this, but I think this was the most expensive thing. So maybe this one isn't worth it, but you tell me, have you guys played with anything like this before? Because this is the first time I've ever heard of it when I was like looking on Amazon. Next thing we have is this little dolphin like squishy Orbeez little thing, and this one, honestly, I dig it because I feel like this is very durable actually. Some of these ones are, you know, questionable, but this one is actually really nice. If you guys like handheld squishy things, this one is definitely really great, very durable, very stretchy, and it comes in a shape of a freaking dolphin. So like, you know, tell me to live my life and I will do it with this. So there we go. Next we have this little mystery item. I don't remember what this is either. So let's open it up and see what we got. Oh, okay. This is also like a little fidget toy, but this is like the Thor Hammer thingamajiggy. Whoever holds this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. Do you guys remember fidget spinners? Like those seem like they were literally 10 years ago, but I think it was last year, unfortunately. It's spinning forever. Oh, and then maybe you like hold it with your thumb, like that. Okay, this is actually pretty cool, I'm not even gonna lie. If I could have this over a fidget spinner, I would definitely do it. I just like how durable it is. It's very heavy. I think it's funny how it comes with a little carrying case. Okay, I don't even know what number we're at, but this is another little fidget thingy. Okay, so this is supposed to be kind of like a bubble wrap kind of sensation. So we have this little guy right here. It also comes with a little keychain. Oh, I'm not fond of the sound just because if you're in class or if you're just like sitting there, people will see and they will start to stare. They'll be like, what is that annoying sound? And you'll just be like, and they will be annoyed. I'd much rather have a sheet of bubble wrap and just go. How is that supposed to be a stress reliever? That is so scary. Maybe it's a game or something? Oh wow, did you guys see the fear in my face? Also tingling, but not in a good way. Scary, so scary. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that on the ground where it belongs, and then I'm gonna throw it away because that is scary. Why was that in the section of stress relievers? Are they trying to play a joke on me? Scared the crap out of me. Okay, we're moving on. Okay, this next thing we have here is another Zen Garden, and I actually accidentally ordered this one as well, but I'm glad I did because the first one was great, but it spilled, and this one seems to be even smaller, like a nice little like travel size Zen Garden. So I am like very happy that I ordered this, and we'll see if it's actually good though. Okay, so it's this little baby Zen Garden. It comes with a wooden tray, a garden rake, 3 figurines, polished stone, white sand, and instructions. We love when they send instructions. Nothing is spilling, which I'm very happy about. And then tiny little sand, a little baby Zen Garden. So we have little houses, or whatever you call them, temples, I don't know. Then we have 3 little stones, and then we have this very, very beautiful bird. So that's fun. And then of course we have a little rake. Okay, this is so adorable. I really, really like this one. I will say I like the first Zen Garden better just because it was a lot more satisfying to like rake it for longer. This one is definitely tiny, but I do like the concept of it, of like a little travel size one. So I definitely would recommend this one if you guys want like a smaller one. But overall, I'm obsessed with these Zen Gardens. So I kind of want one in my backyard and I just like rake it every day. Wow. Okay. Life goals right there is to have a Zen Garden in my own house. Well, not inside of it, but like outside of it. Yo. Okay, I saved the best for last. Guys, you are not ready for this. So if you guys saw my first Amazon stress relievers, you guys saw that I had the zip popper thingamajiggy. I love popping pimples, I'm sorry, like, sue me. And you guys went crazy over that, and I did too. That was my favorite thing. So I saved the best for last because this is another one of those, but this is like galaxy themed, so it has like glitter in it, and I'm very excited because instead of popping like pus, we're popping glitter. It's not as gross, and I think it'll be really satisfying, so let's open this bad boy up. So it has the pimple pus again, but like I said, this is like glitter pus, so it's not as weird if you guys don't like the actual pus, even though I quite enjoyed it myself in the first video. So it's like actually glitter. So yeah, if you open it up, are you guys ready for this? So let's go ahead and pop some glitter pimples. Are you guys ready? I don't think you're ready. I am not ready. I'm not fully ready, but let's do this. Dang, that was a good one. Dang. Honestly, 10 out of 10. This is incredible. It's just very satisfying. I really enjoy this, and it comes with extra stuff to put it in, and then it comes with this like little eye drop thingy so that you can put it in the little holes. I love having the glitter aspect in this. I think it's very fun. That is it for this video. I hope you guys like seeing these weird Amazon stress relievers. Let me know, if you want a third one, we can always do a part 3. Let me know that in the comments below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, if you guys haven't seen my first one, go check that one out. And lastly, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it's just keep calm and blush on. Love to have you guys over there. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope I didn't miss any. I might have, sorry in advance if I did, but I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Peace and blessings. Love you guys.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down?